Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to day 1 of Unit 3, Week 1. Our instructions for today are to read animal disguises on pages 4 and 5. We will read paragraphs 1 through 3 on page 4 to find out the following. What are predators? What are prey? How does camouflage help them? As we are reading, we will highlight the key details to help us answer these questions. Once we are done reading, we will complete the chart below using our annotations, or what we highlighted. Remember, when highlighting key details, we must look for words or phrases that help us answer the question. So since our questions are, what are predators, what are prey, and how does camouflage help them, I have highlighted these 3 words in green because as we read, we will pay special attention to any sentences that have these words because more than likely they will help us answer these questions. So please follow along with me as I read Animal Disguises, page 4. Paragraph 1. All animals have special features that help them stay alive or survive. Sometimes the way they act or behave gives them an advantage. They also have physical features that improve their chances of survival. Paragraph 1 does not mention predators, prey, or camouflage. So I am going to keep reading. I will not highlight anything. Paragraph 2. For example, animals that hunt for their food are called predators. The animals these predators hunt are called prey. Both predators and prey have traits that help them hide from one another. How do they do it? Okay, so here in paragraph 2, I find the word predators in the first sentence. This sentence tells me what predators are. They are animals that hunt for their food. So I will go ahead and highlight that. I will then do the same for the word prey. I find the word prey in the next sentence right here. This sentence tells me what prey are. They are animals predators hunt. So I will also highlight that. Animals that predators hunt are called prey. All right, let's keep reading. Many animals have skin or fur that blends into their environment. Their body color matches the colors around them. For example, a green grasshopper can remain unseen in tall green grass. This ability to blend into one's surroundings is called camouflage. The word camouflage means disguise in French. Camouflage is an adaptation, a trait animals are born with that aids in their survival. Camouflage can help prey hide from predators. It can also help a predator remain undetected to sneak up on its prey. So in this paragraph, I first find the word camouflage in the 4th sentence in paragraph 3, right here. This sentence tells me what camouflage is. It is the ability to blend into one's surroundings. I will go ahead and highlight this because I need to know what camouflage is in order to discover how it helps predators and how it helps prey. So go ahead and highlight that. This ability to blend into one's surroundings is called camouflage. So being able to hide with the background, that is camouflage. The last 2 sentences of paragraph 3 tell me how camouflage helps predators and prey, so I will highlight them. Right here it says camouflage can help prey hide from predators so that they are not eaten, and also camouflage can help a predator remain undetected to sneak up on its prey. So camouflage helps a predator hide so that its prey doesn't see it and then it could sneak up on it and eat it. Okay, so now that I have read paragraphs 1 through 3 and I have annotated, I have highlighted the key details that will help me answer my questions, I will go back into my slides and I will type in my answers. So of course, I'm going to use my annotations. So what are predators? Well, I highlighted that predators are animals that hunt for their food. So that is what I typed. Predators are animals that hunt for their food. What are prey? Well, I highlighted that prey are the animals predators hunt. So I typed that in there. Now, how does camouflage help them? I found that in paragraph 3. So I also typed in what I highlighted. Camouflage can help prey hide from their predators, and camouflage can help a predator remain unseen in order to sneak up on its prey. As you can see, I used my annotations to fill out my chart. Now let's go to the next slide. The next slide says, read camouflage Q&A on page 5, to find out the following: what each animal's camouflage is and how it is used. We also need to identify whether the animal is a predator or prey. As we read, we will highlight key details to help us answer these questions and fill out this chart. And of course, number 3, we need to use our annotations to fill out the chart. So looking at our chart, I can see that on the left, we have our animals: the walking stick, a polar bear, stonefish, horned lizard. In the middle, it's asking us, what is the camouflage of this animal and how is it used? And at the far right, we have to answer, is it a predator or is it a prey? So let's go ahead and start reading Q&A. As you can see, I already did the first one, but I want to show you how I found my information, and then you will do the rest on your own. Okay, so let's go back to page 5, and please follow along with me in your book. Okay, so here we are, page 5, camouflage Q&A, question and answer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first photograph. This insect is a walking stick, but as you can see, it really kind of looks like a regular stick or a twig. And then the question asks me, is it a twig? Let's read it. No, it's a walking stick. They are insects that live in forests and grasslands or on branches and twigs. They keep safe by blending in. Predators such as birds and small reptiles have a hard time spotting walking sticks. Okay, so in this paragraph, I see the words blending in. And as previously we read, that camouflage means to disguise, right? The ability to blend into one's surroundings. So I know that the way that the walking stick camouflages is by blending in with branches and twigs where it lives, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight that. I also see that it says predators such as birds and small reptiles have a hard time spotting walking sticks. This sentence tells me that walking sticks are the prey to birds and small reptiles. So that is the information I'm going to use to fill out my chart. So let me show you how I filled that out. Okay, the walking stick. How does it camouflage? Well, it looks like a twig, right? And it blends into branches and twigs with its appearance. Is it a predator or is it a prey? It's prey because it has to hide so that the predators, such as birds and small reptiles, don't eat it. Okay, now it is your turn. You will continue reading page 5 about the polar bear, the stonefish, and the horned lizard. Make sure you look at the photographs. Highlight any information that you will use to fill out the chart. So remember, you are looking for information that tells you what its camouflage is and how it is used. And you must also answer whether that animal is a predator or a prey. Okay, once you are done highlighting, please fill out the chart and you are all done for today.